Learning spoken English is an essential skill worldwide. This guide provides tips and strategies to efficiently learn English conversation from the beginning. Create an English-only environment. Watch English movies with subtitles, listen to English podcasts, have conversations with native speakers, and read English books to improve fluency. Start by understanding essential grammar concepts such as verb tenses and sentence structure. Build a strong vocabulary foundation by learning commonly used words and phrases. Engage in daily practice sessions. Find a language partner or join conversational English classes. Practicing regularly will enhance fluency, pronunciation, and overall communication skills.